Hey, well, this is VO1 Kilo Victor Tango at Lewisport. We can hear you, no problem. Who are we talking to?
You're talking to Rizard. I do not give my radio signal out to anyone. I have my license. I'm fully licensed, but I do not give my call sign to anyone.
Okay, well, I just want to let you know if you're a legitimate amateur radio operator, you are supposed to use your call sign. So I guess you don't want to do that, so probably you won't have much luck talking to people. We'll talk to you later. VO1KVT will be clear.
All right, you take care of yourself. I do not want to give out my call sign ever. That is not what I'm into. All right? VO1KVT, VO1TAD. Say again. You breaking up.
I'm not speaking to anybody unlicensed or that won't share their call sign. VO1 Kilo Victor Tango.
Well, I don't care if you're not sharing your whatever, you know. Talk to me like a human being. Does that sound good?
VO1 Kilo Victor Tango, VO1 TAD.
TAD, VO1KVT, go ahead.
Just wanted to let you know, this is the same person that we've had issues with on multiple occasions. Information, I believe, is being sent into Industry Canada as well.
Well, shouldn't I be, Good Lord, people. Are you honestly that pathetic and that, you have to report me to, please, are you serious?
Give me your call sign and I'll drop the whole issue.
I don't have one.
Well, then you're not licensed to be on these frequencies.
How about you shut up, all right? Think you can find out who I am?
VO1KVT, VO1TAD. Might be time for an old fox hunt one of these days.
Whatever you fucking want. I was trying to be, like, nice, but you are not. Remember, like in my old days in the military, you know what? Tracers, they fall back in different ways. They fall back both ways.
Oh my God.
So, I was just trying to be nice. If you aren't, keep alone. Remember, you want to track me down, I can track you down as well. It goes both ways. So don't fuck with me and I don't fuck with you. Alright? Thank you. So smart. Leaving yourselves protected from not talking to me. Alright? What you're up to. If you're a coward, then you can fuck off. Alright? Fuck off. Queuing up like this. Alright? So, tell him to fuck off.
VO1 Juliet Whiskey on frequency.
What frequency are you talking about?
This is VO1 Juliet Whiskey, transmitting via VO1GFR in Grand Falls, Windsor. Your call?
Wow, you're far away from here, man.
Yeah, pretty nice distance. Can I have your call sign, please?
No, I don't release my call sign.
Oh, well, very good then. If you don't release it or you don't have one, I will just ask you to vacate the frequency. You may listen in, but you do not have authority to transmit. 7-3, have a nice day.
I have a license, thank you very much. And here's the thing, I do not give my frequency out. And here's the deal as well. I would love to talk to you, okay? Identify. I do not give my identification to anyone. I'm here. I know I have my license. I know I have everything else in order. And I love talking to you. Okay? Come on. Really? Is that what you're up to? Son of a bitch. Alright?